Liver health support through daily food choices. Liver health, your body cleans itself every day. This did not start with pain. It started with fatigue, heavy mornings, slow digestion. My doctor was honest. Your liver works non-stop, but lifestyle decides how hard. That sentence stuck. So I stopped looking for detox myths and focused on real support. This is not about cleaning the liver. The liver already does that. It is about helping it work better. What the liver actually does, it filters blood, processes nutrients, breaks down toxins. Overload comes from poor diet, excess sugar, ultra-processed foods. This is explained by Mayo Clinic. No instant miracles, but fast improvement is possible. The foundation that helped me: simple meals, consistent timing, hydration, and a few key foods. Food 1. Leafy greens, spinach and arugula, rich in chlorophyll compounds. They support bile flow. This mechanism is discussed by NA reviews. I ate 1 large bowl daily. Food 2. Beets contain betaine, supports normal fat metabolism in liver. Studies in Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry describe this pathway. Food 3. Garlic, sulfur compounds activate enzymes. These help break down unwanted substances. This is noted in nutrition research journals. 1 clove was enough. Food 4. Olive oil, healthy fats stimulate bile release. This helps digestion flow. European Journal of Nutrition explains this effect. Food 5. Green tea contains catechins, linked to reduced oxidative stress, described in Liver International Studies. Food 6. Lemons support hydration habits. Acidic taste increases saliva and bile response. This supports digestion indirectly. Food 7. Fatty fish, omega-3 fats support lipid balance. This reduces liver fat accumulation risk. Mayo Clinic discusses this connection. Simple portions: I used vegetables half the plate. Fats measured, not poured. Protein moderate. Why this works biologically: less oxidative stress, better bile circulation, balanced fat processing. Results were not dramatic, but noticeable. Lighter digestion, steadier energy. Important truth: effects vary by dose and health status. Some foods may not suit everyone. Moderation keeps support safe. Possible side notes: sudden fiber increase may cause bloating. Increase gradually. Medical reminder: consult your doctor before health changes. How I made it sustainable: prep vegetables twice weekly. Rotate flavors. Avoid extremes. Tracking progress wisely. Note energy levels weekly. Review labs with professionals. This experience changed my habits. The liver thrives on consistency. If this helped you, like the video and comment. Try one change today. Small habits protect your liver.